Meaning of enfeebled.
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 Enfeebled. The term enfeebled refers to a state of weakness or debilitation, often caused by illness, age, or a lack of nutrition. When someone is enfeebled, their physical and/or mental abilities are diminished, making it difficult for them to perform everyday tasks. They may experience fatigue, difficulty moving around, forgetfulness, and an increased vulnerability to illnesses and infections. This state can be both frustrating and challenging for the person experiencing it, as well as for those who care for them. However, with proper care and attention, it is possible to improve their condition and quality of life.